Hello guys, I am sharing my project with you. This is all about Airbnb clone. It was a part of my learning module and I have created this project when I was learning web development. Recently I have introduced some more feature in this. So I just want to show that feature. Here we can open individual hotel and see what features it includes. Like you can give reviews here, then also you can see the hotel, the details of that hotel. You can also see the location of that hotel. Actually it has been linked to the Mapbox APIs. The main feature that I have introduced is about conferencing. I will show the conferencing feature as well. If I click to begin a conference, so it shows please sign up or please log in. If I do not have any account, I have to create the account. So I'll say I don't have account, then it will redirect me to a sign up page. I'll entering some details, then I'm setting the password. Now I am logged into the StayFinder and I can now connect with a conference call. So before start with conference, I will show the feature of booking a hotel also. If I want to book hotel from a 27th till the 29th, then also I can do here. I have to just select the dates and the number of guests who gonna stay here and have to click on book now. It will redirect to the booking page showing the status. It's a pending. I can also cancel once I booked a hotel before it get confirmed. Let's see the feature of conferencing, how it works. Begin your conference. Now I'm trying to join the meeting, so I'm just joining the meeting. Basically it creates an environment which allow us to be on a conference. We can share that link to another person and that person also be on a call. Now I'm on call, and also I can share the link of this call with the other peoples. So this is the feature which I have externally added as a part of my learning and as a part of improving the feature of my stay finder. Hope you will like it. Actually, this project is all about when I was learning web development with Apna College, and that time I created this project. Later, I added some feature like booking hotel and conferencing feature to enhance the feature of project. Thank you.